You saw a couple of days ago that the potatoes arrived, and the plan is to plant them at the farm, which means I need the tractor for that, but the thing will not start. So I had it charging the whole night. See, like the whole night, and nothing. So I think the battery is just not good, completely gone. And now I have to figure out how to take the battery out of a Farmall Super A. I don't know how to do that. Like, how do you get this thing out of here? Right, there's a bolt. Right, there's another bolt. But even if you take this out, you still have this thing in the way. And then on the other side, it's the same thing. You have these things in the way. And here you can't pull it out because it's got this thing in the way. So how do you get this battery out?
Wait a minute, gotta get this.
Oh.
There you go. Some city workers moved to the farm. And
Green Acres. Sounds like a good show.
it was a good show. It was funny.
Yee! All right. Yeah, where do you get a box of this thing?
I don't know. You can buy them all in parts stores. You can buy them.
Well, okay. So, oh, did you see that? It's so hard to get in there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Be neutral.
Yeah.